This next video is going to go over the settings page of the CityGro Kiosk application, how to access the settings page and the functionality the settings page provides. To access the settings page, you'll need to be logged into your CityGro Kiosk application. When on the welcome screen, you'll want to draw a circle, counter or clockwise direction, making sure you start and stop in the same spot. One important thing to consider is not to start your circle over the keypad or the email address. So as I draw that circle, starting and stopping in the same spot, you'll notice here we're on the settings page. Up here in the top left corner, the settings page tells you that the kiosk is currently offline. If for any reason your kiosk is offline, whether the internet connection is down or you toggle the switch in the bottom to force it offline, you'll notice that changes red and tells you that the kiosk is offline. This will allow you to be able to see if you are troubleshooting, that we'll cover in a future video. In addition to that, down here on the bottom, you'll see some different features. We can store check-ins locally. This is required if you're using a pick a winner function. We can require a login password to access this page. This will be the same password used to check in on the kiosk that it's currently logged into. And you can allow the kiosk to function in offline mode. Now we do by default toggle the allow the kiosk to function offline mode on in case your internet connection does go down or for any other reason. Here we have 5 different buttons. The first button allows you to be able to view the data. You can see the check-in, you can see what time the check-in happened and whether or not that check-in has been synced and uploaded. If it hasn't for any reason, you can always click on it to be able to sync it and cause it to upload to the server. We have catch-all groups. These catch-all groups are going to be set up on your CityGro Kiosk portal from the CityGro website. You'll be able to select a group that will automatically add everybody who checks in to when they check in here on the kiosk. This sync data button allows you to be able to sync any data that's being stored on the kiosk. You have some different sync settings where you can adjust how often that information is deleted and when you want that information uploaded. And the final feature here is a pick a winner feature. This allows you to be able to select a time frame of when you want that winner to be selected from. Currently right now, if I select Monday from 9 a.m. until today at 10:30, anyone who has checked in the kiosk between that time frame, being there's 3 individuals, I can simply click a pick a winner function and it will supply that information. If there is a name available for that person, it will tell you that name as well. Outside of that, there's 2 additional buttons. We have the exit button here and the log out button. The exit button will return back to the welcome screen. The log out button will take you back to the login screen, and the reload button will actually reload the information for your kiosk. It's important to use this reload data anytime you're changing your welcome screen or any splash screens or settings within security codes on your kiosk.